Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Dreamy effects on Picsart. So let's begin. First of all, open your Picsart application. So here on the home page, on the top, you can see the search bar. Tap on it. Now search Dreamy effect. So when you search this, you'll be available with different types of filters and effects available. Tap on any one of them. Now tap on choose my photo. Now here you can choose the photo that you want to have Dreamy effect on. Tap on any one of your photo. Now tap on next and next. So follow this step and tap on next. So as you can see, the Dreamy effect has already been kept on the photo that you have imported. So now at last tap on this tick button and you are done. So the Dreamy effect has been applied to your photo. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helps you.